Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing us how to sew the kimono. So this is my back piece here, the armhole. Now I'm placing the two front pieces on the back, shoulder to shoulder. So this is one shoulder here. So I'm sewing with half-inch seam allowance, and then the other shoulder I'm placing it there. Okay, and then don't forget you're sewing right side to right. I'm joining shoulder to shoulder together, right? Okay, so once you finish joining the two shoulder together, the next thing will be for you to attach the sleeve to the armhole. So what I usually do is I will notch the center of the sleeve, and the joining of it on the shoulder will serve as my midpoint also. So I just notch the center of the sleeve, place it where I have the joining on the shoulder, use my pins, and I'll sew all the way around the armhole. So I'll do that for both sides of the armhole. Okay, so once I do that, now I want to add a little bit of attachment to the sleeve. This part is optional, just to give the jacket some kind of aesthetic design. So this is I use satin and I place it on fold, and the whole length is about I think about 5 inches. So when I now fold it into two, I have 2.5. Then after sewing with half-inch, I'm left with 2 inches. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah. Yeah. So once you do that, next thing now will be to sew from the sleeve all the way down on the side seam. Same thing from the other side. You fold the sleeve into two and sew it all the way down. You're sewing on the wrong side, please. Just that my table is very small. So yeah, so this is it here. Then when you finish sewing, you want to iron. Now this is the band. So let me just show us again. This is almost 5 inches. Fold it into two, then iron. Okay, then you use your pin to hold it together. So what I want to do right now is I'm pinning it at the center of the back there, because that is where I have the joining. Then you just pin it round along the neck area of the front all the way down. So if you missed this cutting tutorial, I posted it on my YouTube channel, the full cutting tutorial. This is a sewing tutorial. So once you pin it round, you just sew it with half-inch seam allowance, like I'm trying to do in the video. Now when you're done sewing, you either want to use your weaving machine or a serger to knit in the edges, or you might want to use a bias tape to do that, whichever one works for you. I'm someone that's I try different options. So if you don't have a serger or an overlocker, you can use your bias to bind the rough edges, because obviously this part of the collar will be showing outside at some point, so you need to make it nice and neat. Yeah, so you just keep sewing, and then once you're done, I think I added pockets. I'm not sure. That's actually optional too, but it's a very simple tutorial. And trust me, you don't have to use Ankara to make this style. You can use crepe. You can use all this floral material. You can use as a two-piece set for either a short or a trouser. It's a very versatile style. So this is the jacket here, and this is what I was saying. This rough part. So I'm using is bias tape to bind it round. So once I bind it, I'm good to go. And then the kimono can be a full length. It doesn't have to be a short one. But I made my own to be short because I had shorts to wear to pair up with it basically. So this is it here. Now the last thing is to do the hemming on the lower part of my jacket. So I'm already hemming it, and once I do that, I'll show the final outcome of the jacket and the shorts. Okay, I think I've posted a video on how to make a short some times ago. I could look for that link and share with us. Okay, so I'm almost done with the sewing part, and what other part did I miss? Make sure you iron every step of the way. It makes your work very neat and professional. And then the hemming on the lower parts, make sure it's up to like 1 inch. So you are folding 1 inch twice for the hemming. You can see that the hemming of my jacket is very bold. It's bold. It's not like a hemming like maybe a skirt or something. It's a jacket, so the hemming should be, quite bold. And if this is your first time watching my videos, feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow. Yeah, and you can search for me on anywhere on social media. Just type in Wearlala, Wearlala on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram. Yeah, I have loads of free sewing tutorials. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done with the coupling of the jacket, and now I'll just show where I rocked it with my shorts. I hope you're gonna give this a trial. So this is how it looks like. Very cute, nice, simple, trendy, nice. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.